In Indian economy, small-scale and cottage industries occupy an important place because of their employment potential and their contribution to total industrial output and export. Government of India has taken a number of steps to promote them. However, with the recent measures, small-scale and cottage industries facing both internal competition as well as external competition. There is no clear distinction between small scale and cottage industries. However, it is generally believed that cottage industry is one which is carried on wholly or primarily with the help of members of the family. Moreover, industries are generally associated with agriculture and provide subsidiary employment in rural areas. As enlisted here, small scale industry can be classified into five types. These are manufacturing industries, ancillary industries, service industries, feeder industries, and mining industries. Let's study the types of small scale industries one by one. Those units which are producing complete article for direct consumption and also for processing industries are called as manufacturing industries. For example, engineering industry, coin industries, khadi and food processing industries. Ancillary industries are those which are producing parts and component and rendering services to large industries. Tiny industries are very small industries with an investment of less than 25 lakhs. Capital investment for this purpose means investment in plant and machinery. Another type of small scale industry is service industries, which are those covering light repair shops to maintain mechanical equipment. These industries are essentially machine based. Feeder industries are those which are specializing in certain type of products and services. Example, casting, electroplating, welding, etc. Cottage industries. These are also called as household industries. They are organized by individual and with the help of member of the household and are pursued as full-time or part-time occupation. Mining. These are various type of small-scale industrial unit. For training your small business employees, some qualities has to build up so that they can lead business successfully. For this purpose, find trainers within your organization. Use online training courses. Train employees in the workplace. Set goals and measure success. Small scale industries are labor intensive and thus are generating a large number of employment. Investment in the small scale sector has been increasing at a faster rate. Small scale and cottage industries has been resulting more equitable distribution of national income and wealth. This is mainly due to the fact that ownership of small scale industry is quite widespread as compared to large scale industries. And small scale sector is having a higher employment potential than the large scale sector. Required skill for small scale industry success are management and communication skills, the ability to work both as part of a team and independently, able to plan, cooperate, and organize effectively, financial literacy, and ability to research effectively. Thank you.